So I'm a junior UX designer in Amnet Digital. So I'm here to tell my story with Purplelane. I was in B.tech final year. I approached Bhavani Prasad. I asked about UI and UX. And what I felt literally interested is that there is a personal caring in Purplelane. Sometimes we will be low in confidence and also there is no motivation. So they called us, they talked to us, they motivate us. There is a special caring in Purplelane. And due to that support, I'm here. I got 2 to 3 opportunities in companies and I have choose Amnet Digital. I'm here due to Purplelane team.
Came from mechanical background. I inquired a lot of courses in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune. The cost was pretty high at that time. I went to Purplelane. Then my first mentor was Bhavani sir, who helped me a lot of about the course, where I learned a lot of skills from basics to intermediate. Couple of mock interviews from Bhavani sir and Darsanama madam, which has helped me very lot in the interviews. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful to Purplelane